So after you've purchased LearnDash, you'll be taken to a receipt page, and that page contains a link to download the LearnDash plugin. Now, if you've already navigated away from this page, you can find both of these things in your LearnDash support portal, which is located at support.learndash.com. Check your email for the login information to access this portal. If you can't find your password, that's okay. You can reset your password from the login page. Just be sure to use the same email that you used when making your purchase. Once you've logged into your LearnDash account, make sure that you're on the Downloads tab. You should see a download link next to LearnDash along with the version number of the current version of LearnDash. Just click that link to download the plugin as a zip file. Now you need to jump over into your WordPress admin area, so log into your site, and this is where you'll be installing the LearnDash plugin that you just downloaded. Once you've logged in, go ahead and navigate to Plugins and Add New. You'll click the Upload Plugin button at the top. Then go ahead and click Choose File. Now navigate to the location on your computer where your downloaded files are stored. So you're looking for the zip file that you just downloaded from that LearnDash support site. After you've chosen the zip file, click the Install Now button. You should see a message that says it was installed successfully. So now click the Activate Plugin button to begin using LearnDash.